In 1944, rail ferries played a critical military role in Operation Neptune as they were the only vessels capable of transporting heavy locomotives and bulky rolling stock directly from the UK to the European continent. This unique film shows the complete journey from Southampton, where the SS Chebourg is now berthed, to Chebourg.
To former travellers by ferry service between Dover and Dunkirk, this Southern Railway train ferry vessel will not be easily recognised. It now has a derrick weighing 258 tons, which projects 35 feet beyond the stern for lifting heavy locomotives. A specially constructed link span joined the ship to the land. This ferry service was inaugurated soon after D-Day and kept going regularly, discharging its precious cargo on the other side of the channel. A load of 8 large locomotives with tenders and 20 trucks, the full load of each vessel per trip, was a useful contribution. Ambulance trains were a regular feature of the ferry service. The destination is Chebourg.